Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to adjust LiftMaster 8500 garage door. Now, to program the travel limits, adjust the position of the door by using the black and yellow buttons. Black moves the door up and yellow moves the door down. Now on setting the app position, press and hold the black button until the LED starts flashing slowly and then release it. Second step, push and hold the black button until the door reaches the desired open position. Note, make sure the door open high enough for your vehicle. Step 3. Push the door control or program remote control. This sets the open limit and begins closing the door. Immediately, when the door begins to close, press and release either the black or yellow button, and this will stop the door. On setting down position, push and hold the yellow button until the door reaches the desired close position. And once the door is closed, if there appears to be too much pressure on the door, you may toggle the door back and forth using the black and yellow buttons to reach the desired closed position. Lastly, push the door control or program remote control. This sets the down or close limit and the door should open. And that's basically it.